if growth starts when you go out of your comfort zone? Hi guys, this is Ali and this is my second day of documenting my journey and overcoming my fear or going out of my comfort zone. So, ayun nga, yesterday, day 1, nabanggit ko na I'm the shy type, na overthinker, na nagstay sa comfort zone for the longest time. Kasi speaking of comfort zone, alam ko hindi lang naman ako. May mga makaka-relate sa akin dyan na kaya tayo nagsistay sa comfort zone is because walang pressure, less stress, and walang awkward moments na most of the introverts ina-avoid yung mga yun. Pero lately, na-realize ko na dahil sa hiya, ang dami kong bagay na hindi nagagawa, ang dami kong opportunities na pinapalampas, ang dami kong experiences na hindi nasusundukan. Kasi, takot. Kasi, thinking of worst case scenario ka. Kaya, naisip ko, what if fear is the only thing that's stopping me? Na I can be a better person, na this is not yet my best, this is not yet my best life. Meron at meron pa akong better future if only I will go out of my comfort zone. So, ayun lang. And I remember na meron akong narinig na what if growth starts when you go out of your comfort zone? Oo nga, no? And I'll see you guys tomorrow.